Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You must act now. Sign into the correct Google account and open Drive. Once you're in, click Storage in the left menu to surface largest items. This saves time versus random deletion. You'll see big files and app backups first, so select the top offenders. Pause device backups and stop automatic photo uploads while cleaning because ongoing syncs will refill space. Make sure to work from a desktop browser for faster selection and multi-file actions. Now continue with focused removal. In Storage View, filter or sort files by size and delete everything over 100 MB first because that yields the biggest gains. Once done, empty the trash to actually free space. Deletions alone won't suffice. Then check Gmail for large attachments and Google Photos for videos. Delete or export what you keep. Also remove obsolete device backups and uninstall unused apps. Convert Office files to Google Docs format to avoid storing duplicate binary copies. Finish by emptying every trash across Drive, Gmail, and Photos, and then check the storage meter to confirm reclaimed space. Once done, export or archive anything irreplaceable to an external drive or alternate cloud, because backups prevent accidental loss. Make sure to sign out and sign back in, or refresh the browser to update the quota display. If storage doesn't reflect your cleanup, wait 24 to 72 hours for Google's backend to sync. If still wrong, contact support after confirming trash truly is empty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.